Hi everyone, I'm so excited that you are joining me today. I cannot believe the holidays are over and 2020. I think that January, more than ever this year, is the perfect time for a fresh start, getting things organized, and really starting to try to enjoy ourselves again. It's really difficult to want to invite people over to your house when your house is disorganized. And then you have people come over and you're looking for something because you need it and you can't find it and it's really stressful, and I don't want that for you. So today I'm going to give you some hints and tips to help you organize your kitchen drawers. Now it's time to categorize. I have a lot of serving utensils. So I'm gonna put these all together. Don't mind these ones. These are actually antiques that I'm trying to find a polish for. So hopefully I'll get those polished up so they look nice. But same category, so they're gonna go in the same spot. All of the spoons I like to stack up like this and then keep the fork a little above so that I know where that is. Now another thing that I'm seeing are beater attachments. So I have this set, and I thought, oh, and then this set right here. So I'm gonna place the two there. Okay, so this I use for cookies when you're dishing it out onto the tray. And the beaters I frequently use for baking, so I'm gonna put those together, and this is kind of my baking spot. Let's see, ooh, because this technically is an ice cream scoop, I feel like we could put the other ice cream scoop right there and it would be just fine. The rolling pin, I'm thinking just setting her right there. Let's see, I don't think that goes in here. I'm going to put the pizza cutter with the peeler. I thought I had another, oh, I do have another peeler. So then we can put the peelers there, easy to find. Ooh, let's do the can opener with the wine opener. That way you've got the two can opening things together. These are kind of smaller. Oh, and this is technically a can opener too, so we can put that, maybe snuggle that right in like that. Baking, okay, so we've got a lot of wine openers. I have to show you this one. I mean, how cute is that wine opener? Okay, so we've got a lot of little things here. We have got a pie cutter, and I use this as a trifle. Also sometimes an ice scoop. You could put those in there together. Ooh, but we still have quite a bit of stuff. Okay, now obviously these are not as nice as the bamboo, but they do work. They clip together like this. They've obviously, okay, so we can fit those in here, and then nestle this down. That is actually a perfect fit. I kind of left out there. Okay, so I definitely want to do, these are all kind of smaller items. So now we've got, this is an interesting place to be. We could definitely put these two knives in there, which makes me wonder if we should move all sharp knives there, and then we can put with the peeler, do the juicer. Is that weird? I can't decide if I like that or not, but at least you can see everything. Okay, so then we've got a smasher, which you could angle down that way. So see, it won't close now. So this is a conundrum. This is gonna be a problem. I gotta figure that guy out. Okay, so we've got our thermometer here with the attachment. We've got this baster, there we go. Okay, baster. Oh, these are metal skewers. So these are metal skewers, and I feel like we could either put them in here with the thermometer or up here on the top, but I feel like they're gonna get lost with those bamboo skewers. So I think, well, yeah, they're gonna get lost there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put those in with a thermometer. And then I'm gonna check this other drawer to see what category, oh, these can go right here, which is perfect. This again is more serving, so maybe This is actually pretty cool. It's a cake cutter. So when you have a double layer cake, you just take it like this and you go down the middle of the cake and then it comes out like this and the cake's in between it. It's a very cool product. My mother-in-law actually got that for me. Okay, so then I feel like we can put the smasher here because it kind of goes along the same lines as that. So now we basically have these two things because this guy, I'm just gonna nestle him. So this is actually, you put an egg in it or a beet, something soft. Put something, an egg, a boiled egg right here, and then you close it down and it slices the egg perfectly for you. It's a nice little handy gadget. I'm gonna set him up there, and then this is another masher, so I'm gonna set him next there. We have a soup ladle. I'm not sure if you're able to see all the way over here. We have a soup ladle. I'm gonna put the baster in with the soup ladle. So now we have everything nice and organized. The only things that we have left are these little, these are all can openers. This is a wine stop. I guess it could be champagne too. This is a wine wrapper remover, the label part. And then we've got a nutcracker, a cheese knife, and an orange peeler. So those are all some very random things. And I think what I'm gonna do is maybe get some smaller containers to put here. Okay, so hold on, let's see if I can find those. So these are some small, so these are two smaller containers that we can either fit in here, because, I mean, I don't want to put in there space, but what I think we're gonna do is items that we don't use very often, I like to put down here. So skewers, they're kind of seasonal. I use them in the summer. A meat smasher here, I don't use all of the time, so I'm just gonna nestle it behind there along with this smasher. I hope you guys can see that. Okay. So those are both nestled behind there. It kind of secures this up a little bit more. And then I'm going to move this guy. I'm gonna move our tongs up a little bit. I always like to make everything so that it's very easy to grab. You can set these guys down in there. Oh, this will be perfect. Nestle him right there where he's keeping that guy secure. I do use this one a lot more than these tongs, so that's good. Then you can take your smaller items, so we can take all of the can openers and place them in here. And then the two wine openers there, which is perfect. And then we just have, in fact, I'm gonna put, no, he won't fit there. Let's see. Okay, I like the way that's going. I'm gonna move him back up to the top. I'm gonna nestle down my nutcracker right there because, again, that's something more seasonal that I use around Christmas, actually. And then we had knives, so I'm gonna put, technically that is the knife there. And then, how perfect is that? Right in between the peelers, I put my orange peeler. I hope that these hints helped you organize your kitchen drawers. There's nothing more frustrating than when you have people over and you can't find that one thing that you need. Trust me, I've been there, I know. But I hope that getting organized and having this fresh start in 2021 inspires you to gather the people that you love in your home.